Students to develop graphical method in trigonometry or graphs in trigonometry. First I showing sine function. So if we take y is equal to sine theta, where theta belongs to minus pi to pi, then the graph will be, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis. So origin O. So if x or theta, x-axis of theta, y's values varies from minus 1 to 1. So here it will be from 0 to this is y 0 1. Here it will be 0 minus 1. So taking this is pi, this is pi by 2, or this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and in this side this is minus pi by 2. The graph will be at the point pi by 2, sin theta is 1, so it is here it will be maximum. Then after the pi by 2, it will be again, it will again touch axis, theta axis. At pi, its value is 0. For the first quadrant and second quadrant, sign is positive. For the third quadrant, sign is negative. So at 3 pi by 2, it will be negative minus 1. So it comes here. And for 2 pi, it will again touch the theta axis, which will be this. This is 2 pi. And for negative pi by 2, it will be fourth quadrant, so it touch here. So in this way the diagram takes so this is the sine function. If we take cosine function, y is equal to cos theta, theta again minus pi by 2, minus pi to pi, and y will be minus 1 to 1. So again if we take 0, this is theta, this is 1 0 0 1, this is 0 minus 1, here it will be pi by 2, then pi, then 3 pi by 2, then again 2 pi, and here it will be minus pi by 2. So for pi by 2 it is 0, and for 0 it is 1, cos theta is equal to 1 at the point 0. So here from here it is comes for the first quadrant. For the second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, it will be negative. So it comes here to touch, and then in the third quadrant, cos is again negative, so it will touch in this way. And for the fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, cos is positive, so it will touches here. And for the first quadrant, it will be positive. So here it completes a half wave. And for the fourth quadrant, 0 to minus pi by 2, it is positive, so it will touch here. So in this way, cos functions graph can be represented. Now for tan function, we will take y equal to tan theta here theta again from minus pi to pi, and y is minus infinity to infinity. So you can draw in this way. This is theta, this is y, 0 origin 0. So if we take this is pi by 2, this is 0, and here it is minus pi by 2. And here it I am taking minus pi by 2. So at the point 0, tan theta is 0, whereas for pi by 2, it is infinite. The graph will touch infinite value at the point pi by 2. It will be infinite. Minus pi by 2, again 10 is negative, so it touch again infinite. It will touch in this way. So this is the tan theta diagram or function for up to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. For cot theta, where the value for cot 0 is also from infinity to infinity. So here the diagram will be this is theta, this is y axis origin. This is the pi, pi by theta is equal to pi by 2. And here it is minus pi by 2. At cot is equal to 0, it is negative, but at cot pi by 2, it is 0. So for the first quadrant, it will be positive, and for the cot at the cot point 0, it will be infinite. So it will increase in this way with the y-axis. And for the second quadrant, or for the fourth quadrant, it will be for minus pi by 2, it will be 0, and it will be negative also. This is for the first and fourth quadrant. This is y equal to cot theta.